Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by assessing the dent, how deep it is, whether the paint is cracked, and if you can reach behind the panel. Once done, clean area with rubbing alcohol so tools adhere and you can see edges clearly. You need a plunger for shallow dents or a paintless dent repair, PDR, kit for better control. I'll use a small glue puller and a heat gun. Make sure the car is stable and shaded because direct sun changes metal behavior and hides flaws. You heat the dent to about 60 to 70 degrees to reduce tension in the metal and avoid cracking paint. Keep the gun moving to prevent hot spots. Next, apply a glue tab centered on the deepest point and press for a secure bond. Wait 2 to 3 minutes to cure. Then pull steadily with the PDR bridge or slide hammer in short, controlled strokes, checking progress often. If progress stalls, reheat and reposition tabs, or use smaller tabs for fine control, so the panel returns gradually. You finish by removing glue with adhesive remover and gently tapping any small high spots down with a knockdown tool, working from the outside toward the center. Once the shape looks right, polish the area with a mild rubbing compound to blend the finish and restore shine. Make sure to check under different lighting angles. If you see a paint crack or a stubborn crease that won't conform, stop. Trying to force it risks rust or paint failure, and you should consult a professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.